bagel, but that doesn't fucking matter. Anyway, hello guys. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So today I'm going to be baking. What?
I have to be making my
Shut up. I am baking the Mega Cookie Chocolate Chunk Pan Cookie Mix. Oh, I'm a super cool bagel. That's why I have these glasses. Yeah, I can see. So preheat the oven. Hold up. Just add a little bingo hat and an apron. Cute. Preheat the oven to 5. Mom, can you preheat the oven?
To what temperature?
350. 350 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Thank you. No. I don't cook melted butter. I need melted butter. Ma, do I have any butter?
Yeah?
I need butter, actually. By the way, this is an unedited video.
How much butter do you need?
I don't fucking know.
Here with the directions.
Yeah, let me check. It does not say. This is no butter.
No, that's not true.
It actually does. It doesn't specify. By the way, I'm a cool YouTuber, so I don't cut my
It
videos.
shows you right at the top. You need 2 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of butter melted.
I did not see that. I don't know how to load. Oh, shit.
3 tablespoons of butter melted.
Oh, she does that. Let's do a fucking staring contest. You lose, and when you lose. You lose. I lose, you win. It's so fucking awesome. Get my sexy hat. Hi. Shut up.
My face.
I don't know how to edit, so sorry. Yeah, this is going on the YouTube. But I don't know how to edit my videos properly. I only use CapCut templates, dumbass. Ooh. Well, she's not doing better. Let's play with this shit. Yes, I am boxed actually. It's fun. I love boxing shit. So, you guys may want to go watch my newest video from last video. I said, yeah, I'm probably going to do a baking video or a spa video. I have so long to do that tomorrow. Can I have a spa day tomorrow?
No.
Okay, I'll do it myself then.
No.
Why not?
I won't be home.
Why?
Because Angel has basketball.
Oh, fuck. After basketball.
It's dump day.
Oh, true. Can I do it on Sunday then?
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, I forgot today was a Friday, honestly. I just had so much fucking fun at the mall. I really wanted these last time I went to the mall. I really wanted these last time I went to the mall. I just couldn't get them. But hey, look what I have now. The cute ones. This is gonna be my baking attire for the rest of my life. This is just gonna be my baking attire. I try to grow out of the apron and I grow out of the top. This is gonna be my cute little baking attire.
I already put the water in with the
Thank you.
butter.
I need scissors, so I'm gonna get them myself.
Where are you supposed to dump it?
I don't know. I don't know.
You have to read the directions.
Let me get the scissors. I think we're supposed to dump it in the bowl again with.
No, that's for. This is for when it's
I'm a grown up now.
when you're baking it.
Oh. How the fuck do we got it? I have grown up scissors.
This you can't use in the microwave.
Oh.
I mean in the oven.
Oh, okay. So I'll have to do a cookie tray, guys.
Which we don't have a cookie tray.
Fun set?
Okay, we're gonna do this in the microwave. 2
No!
tablespoons of water, which is the same, and 3 tablespoons of butter, which is the same.
Fine. I really want to use the oven dough.
Well, actually,
I mean, we could just get a medium bowl. It says medium bowl.
Ungreased pan.
Oh.
So,
Do you have an ungreased pan
go ahead and put that in here.
in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I gotta use this to
Do
stove.
you think you have enough room? Wait, hold on. I'll get you a different bowl.
Thank you. Mom, and I get to use this to stove. Because this is what I'm baking for. Use these.
Alright, go ahead and put your powder in that bowl. Very good.
This is what a real bake looks like. Ooh, I want to come to the chocolate chip. Go for us. We don't have to buy any.
It looks like they use the same pan. So,
And then I just pour this in.
I guess, yeah, you just pour that in and then you have to mix
Yummy.
it
Yummy.
until well blended.
This is why I have those. Just go straight. Smells like mashed potatoes, but with a hint of sweetness. Sorry, I'll never say that again. I could just this. No, that's too deep. This is actually made for mixing, so it's fun.
Yeah, it looks like they use the same pan for both recipes, so I guess you can put it in the oven.
I hope if this catches on fire. We made cookies. Totally made from scratch. Don't tell them. Trying to get the.
That just means that the oven is heated up to 350.
No. Okay, but why does that actually smell good?
That's the food Riley's making in the microwave.
Oh. No, I'm in the cookie battle.
What?
No, I'm in the cookie battle. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm also gonna use this too for this, just to like scrape the shit to the side. Hot. Oh shit, maybe that's copyrighted. I'm not gonna hang up. I'm not gonna take no chances. How do people use this? Is it just
Oh, it's actually a whisk. It's not really made to stir dough. It's like for whisking your eggs. Or like.
shit? How do I get that out
gravy.
then?
Hold your bowl still.
Okay, so do I use this?
Yeah, I would.
Oh god.
Or use the metal spoon.
I'm gonna use the metal spoon. Sad I don't have to whisk any eggs. Mom, I have a question.
What?
Can I bake your egg recipe? I mean, your cookie recipe on Sunday?
Yeah, we probably should make some Christmas cookies.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. And Mom, it could be your homemade.
We could make the ones with the chocolate chips in the middle.
No. Riley, Mom has a handmade sugar recipe. Sugar cookie recipe. Could you use that, Mom?
Maybe.
Mom, then I can actually whisk eggs.
I might have to. Well, I'm not sure if the recipe calls for eggs.
Damn it!
It might.
I hope it does. I want to use the whiskey.
I mean, we
Oh! I mean the whisk. Sorry.
the whisk.
The whisk. The little fairy godmother magic. The whisk. It's dry as hell.
It's
Did you know that water?
Yes, I did.
Fucking can't mix. And I mix like a god.
Well, you messed up with using the whisk first for that part. You should have been using the spoon.
I didn't know the whisk was
I
totally
mean, you
whiskey.
probably, is it moist enough to spread to
I'll check.
put in the bottom of the pan?
No, it'll rip.
Well, not
This will
rip. You have to put it in the bottom of that pan and like spread it around. Is it gonna?
Okay, let me try to spread.
Is it like cookie dough right now?
Does this look like cookie dough to you?
Kinda, yeah. It doesn't look very dry.
Okay, let me flip it.
So you gotta put it in the pan and.
I'm flipping it around to see if there's any still white powder. I mean, what the fuck is that called? Powder. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Cookie dough mix.
The mix.
Yeah, mix. I hope this looks good when I bake it. I hope it
I had
tastes
to
good.
think about that.
Yeah, I hope this tastes good when I make it. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna have to do it yours.
It's sloppy.
This is what it looks like.
It's like what?
I did it! Well,
That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like when people
Close
feed
up.
slop. pigs.
Shut the fuck up. Don't ruin this for me. I will kill you. Well, I won't ask for that. I will demonetize you. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yeah.
Use your spatula to get it out.
I'm not trying to get it out. I'm trying to show them what it looks like. Oh, wow! I'm gonna get that fuck.
Careful, you don't fling it all over the place.
Yes, man, it's fine. What is fucking cadaver? I never thought I was child friendly YouTuber. I mean, I literally set it to no, it's not made for kids, so. So I swear on them.
That's a setting now.
Yes. Doors fun. Well,
had a YouTube account.
go. I'm allowed to say anything on YouTube. Because I don't get monetized, so I don't have to be worried about getting demonetized. It's because the quality of my videos is not good. Trust me. Mostly like vlogs or something.